Hello guys, I'm Vaishali. Me and my team did an internship of 4 weeks in Emertxe. I'm thankful for the knowledge I gained here while doing the IoT and learning the project based on IoT. Our topic is home automation solution. We are the team of 4 members. I'm Vaishali.
I am Anjali.
I am Sumana.
I am Monika.
So Emertxe is a company, it's an institute in embedded systems, Linux and IoT training. So along with the embedded systems, Emertxe also offers the special courses in Qt QXML application programming and Qt for embedded and embedded Android system development. What is IoT? IoT is a network of physical objects that contain embedded technology to communicate and interact with their internal states or the external environment.
The scope of the project is the proposed system is wireless control over a network of home appliances. The application is designed to run an Android device providing features like switch mode control. The proposed system can be implemented in home small offices. Developed a home automation system using an Arduino with Blink application to remotely control it by an Android smartphone. As technology is advancing, so houses are getting smarter. Modern houses are gradually shifting from conventional switches to centralized control system involving remote control switches. We use the functional requirement as FiximLab. FiximLab is a real-time environment and it supports several devices that can be connected to the boards for simulation such as LEDs. Task performed. Arduino requirements are LED, temperature system, LDR, serial tank, Ethernet shield and CLCD.
And this is the implementation. This is UI of Blink application we have created. And we have created 2 tabs for home appliances. Tab 1 and tab 2. Tab 1 is for temperature control system that consists of switches to turn on and off heater and cooler. Tab 2 is for water tight control that also consists of 2 switches to fill the water and the empty water. These switches can be called inlet and outlet.
Now we are having implemented garden light control, temperature control and water tank control. Here we have read the LDR sensor value based on the reading from LDR. Very brightness of the LED which resembles controlling garden lights based on the ability of sunlight. Here we have Arduino UNO and LDR sensor and lights. Based on the LDR sensor, the Arduino will raise the lights and increases the brightness of the light. Again we have here temperature control system. It consists of heating resistors and LM35 sensor and a cooler. It reads the temperature from the temperature sensor LM35 and display it on the CLCD. Here we have a Blink app application where we can control the temperature of the room and we can increase the temperature and we can decrease the temperature based on the Blink lot application. We can raise the temperature up to 35 degree, not more than that. Here we have a water tank control system. It reads the volume of the water in the tank through serial communication and display it on the CLCD. Control the volume of the water in the tank by controlling the inlet and outlet valves. By sending commands through serial communication, display the volume of the water in the tank of CLCD. Here Blink application, we can raise the volume of the water using inlet valves and we can reduce the volume of the water using outlet valves.
The tools used for building these models are Arduino, FiximLab and Blink application. Blink applications account have to be created for the first, and once the account is created you can create the templates inside. And the data streams over here. We have made the data streams for cooler, temperature sensor, heater, water volume. inlet valve, outlet valve, and the notification. We have even given the data type for each of the data streams. Also, the minimum and maximum value of the data streams is given. So once this is done, you have to connect. Yeah, you have to connect your phone to this. This is the app. This is the UI of the Blink application. The Sweet Home is the topic. Here are the two tabs. One is for temperature control system. One more is for the water tank. Also, the temperature control system has two types, two switches for cooler and heater. And as soon as we turn on the heater, the temperature goes on rising, and exactly after 35 degree, the cooler turns on and the temperature rising will be paused. Yeah, after once the temperature has increased to 35 degree, we also will get the notification that this is we also get the notification for saying that 35 degree, it has reached the temperature above the limit. So I'll just turn on the I'll run the program now. Yes, the compilation is done. Now we'll just restart. Yeah, this one is for temperature and the garden lights. This one is for water tank. Yeah. So when we turn on the heater, it just goes on increasing here. So you can see the temperature displayed. Yeah, temperature is rising once here. So you can see that a notification has arrived that temperature is about 35 degrees Celsius. So
it automatically turn off the heater.
Yeah. So once we turn on the cooler, it just decreases, and also the fan is turned on here.
Here we have the tab to water tank control. Once the inlet valve is on, the water gets filled, and when it reaches 3000 liters, it automatically turn off the inlet valve. Here the notification is displayed, water inflows
disabled.
Again here we have outlet valve. So once we turn on the outlet valve, the water is decreasing.
So this is how the water and temperature is controlled. Also there's one more technique, that is for LDR, where the garden lights are controlled. So this you see here, based on this you can check on and increase or decrease the dimness or the brightness of the LED light for the garden. So this was it all about the project we have done, that is the home automation appliances. So yeah, I also thank building up of the project. So using Blink IoT application, we have created the simulated home automation. So main aim was to understand the requirements of Arduino, Pixum Lab and the Blink application. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
இங்கே பகிர்ந்து